Dingkasi uy. Kia. Yakas mital lief, yakas mital banyak lief. Antaran balake madot khani. Yak boleh dingmutal mat fort lief.
The arrival of European colonizers. These indigenous people spoke dozens of languages in the San family, many of which have gone extinct. As a child, Eso says, people mocked Mu as an ugly language.
I saw those cameras was strong, my sister. To brothers in American. And so it was net as very racist.
Instead, she spoke Afrikaans, the language promoted by South Africa's white minority rulers. Later in life, she realized the importance of preserving her mother tongue. She started teaching Mu to local children and opened a school with her granddaughter and language activist, Claudia Snyman. Snyman says her grandmother's health has been poor recently, and she fears that if Eso dies, her work to protect the language will have been in vain. Eso has 2 living sisters, but they do not speak Mu. She does not know anyone else who does, save for the family members and children to whom she's taught a few words and phrases. At a recent ceremony at the University of Cape Town, she was awarded an honorary doctorate for the work she is doing to preserve the language and culture.